Hey, what is up guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your audio sound more professional in Audacity with whatever mic you're using. For me, I'm using the Blue Snowball microphone, and it's literally like really easy because with me, I do not know much about editing audio, and I usually just stick with what it is or where it's at, and it sounds okay, but there's just a few steps that you can go through and make it sound way better. So I'm going to record real quick, do a small little test track. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Okay, now at the beginning you're going to want to have a little section where you're not talking at all, and the reason for that is because you're going to want to edit out any background audio. Even if there really isn't any and you have a really high quality mic, you're still going to want to do it. So this little section right here, see, you can barely hear anything, but we're going to go down, we're going to go to effects, and then go down to noise reduction, and then click get noise profile, and then I click Control A to select the entire track, go back to effect, back to noise reduction, and then click OK. So it just reduced any noise that could be coming through. And now keep the audio track fully selected, and then go back to effects, compressor, and then usually these settings, make them look like this, like the threshold, go to -15 decibels. But I think everything else right here is default, so you shouldn't have to touch any of these. Make sure this is checked. Make up gain for 0 dB after compressing. Keep that checked. Uncheck this box, and then click that. Now you see how it jumped up a lot. After that, we are going to go back into effect, go into equalization, and then go down to this right here, select curve, and click on it, and go down to bass boost, and then click OK. And then we're going to go back to effect, back to equalization, click on the same thing once more, and then go to treble boost, and then click OK. And then go back to effect for the last time, and go to normalization, just under noise reduction, click on it, and then you keep these two checked, and then the bottom box unchecked. And you can, I think this is how it normally is, it should say -1 decibel, and then click OK. If it doesn't look like this, and then set it to these settings, and then click OK, and it's going to drop it. Now the audio file is much higher than what it previously was, but it makes it where there's no spikes, no peaks. So now if we listen to it back, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. See, it sounds much better. I don't think I played the audio track before, but I will go back and undo all this and play it without the noise reduction too. Testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. And then if we go back and we redo everything, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So it just sounds much better and much more professional now. It is amped up, and I was super close to my mic, so it did sound a little different. And you could definitely tell that I was really close, but overall it sounds much better. And I recommend doing this whether you have a high dollar mic, a cheap mic. I recommend doing it. But yeah, I would say that it works really well. Don't forget to get that little clip and delete the, well, not delete, but cancel out the noise, like reduce the noise. I mean, you can still hear a little bit right there. You can actually hear it a little better because it got amped up even more. I don't recommend doing it again because it will actually mess with your audio track. But for the most part, you're not going to hear it, especially if you have gameplay going over it, because that's what I use this mic for. You can go watch some of my old videos and you won't really be able to hear anything. On top of that, I also only use this for gameplay. So whenever I have gameplay over it, you can't really hear anything. You know, you got the gameplay in the background that's really kind of, you know, taking anything out of my audio that could be bad. And, you know, if I'm doing anything like a vlog, I'm not going to be using a mic like this because it's just sitting on a stand. So I would use something else attached to my camera, which I do plan on getting a GoPro Hero 8 soon. So I should have much better videos coming out. But I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time. Like for me, to say is this character right here. So that's the one that I'm going to use. It's level 8. And so if you want to play with a friend, now